Hi, it's time to have a lesson on how to make Play-Doh. So, you need these ingredients. You need cream of tartar, vegetable oil, flour, and salt. Okay, so this is 1 cup of flour, and I have my pot. So the recipe says 2 cups of flour. So here's 1. I'm going to put it in my pot. 1. And now I've got to get 1 more to have 2 cups of flour. Scoop it. Let's see, is that full? Not yet. It's about halfway full. So I'm going to add some more flour to get it full. It's almost full. Maybe 1 more heaping tablespoon. There we go. That's 2 cups of flour. Okay. So now, what do we need next? We need 3/4 of a cup of salt. Here's my salt. This says it's a half of a cup. So to get 3/4, I need to do 1 full one, because that's half. Okay. And then just a half of this half is 1/4 of a half. Okay. Okay. There you go. There's the salt. And now we need some cream of tartar. And it says 4 teaspoons of cream of tartar. Where's that little thing? This is the cream of tartar. And this is my measurement for my teaspoon. So it said 4 teaspoons, right? So 4 teaspoons of cream of tartar. I hope I have enough. Let's see. Maybe not. Yes, just barely. Well, looks like I have about 3. Bummer. Well, we'll see how. It's experiment. Okay, put that in there. Now we're gonna mix it. Stir up the flour, the salt, and the cream of tartar, and then we're going to put 2 cups of lukewarm water. And we will need 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. So I'm going to go ahead and do the 2 tablespoons. So that's teaspoon. This is the size of a tablespoon. So it said 2. And then I'll go get some lukewarm water. 1, 2. Okay. What else did I need? Water. And it was 2 cups of water. Okay, I'll be right back. Here's 1 cup water. We need 1 more to have 2. Here it comes. Okay. 2 cups of water. Let's see what's next. Stir. Let's count. 1, 2, 3. Let's see if you guys can see what it looks like. 4. Alright, so now this is a good time to add in the color. So I'm going to add in some color. I have the blue food coloring. It'll be a light blue. There's not much left in here, it looks like. Yep. Okay. Be careful not to get food coloring on your skin or clothes because it will stain. It doesn't like to come out. kind of turning blue, very light blue. I had to use wheat flour because that's all I had. Usually you would use whole-purpose. All right, looks good. All stirred. All right, now let's see what's next. Okay, continue stirring. Okay, cook over medium heat, stirring occasionally. All right, so I'm going to take you to the stove with me. Come to Miss Mary's stove. All right, here's my stove. I'm going to turn it on. It said medium heat, and then it says to stir occasionally. So every once in a while, I'm going to stir this. Okay, let me look on my recipe and see how long we're supposed to do this. Continue stirring until the dough has thickened and begins to form into a ball. Remove from heat and then place inside a gallon-sized bag and allow to cool slightly, and then knead it smooth. Okay. We'll see how it turns out. Okay, so it's been heating on the stove, and this is what we got. It's supposed to become like a ball. And it's like kind of green, brown. I guess I didn't have enough food coloring, but that's okay. It's not what it looks like. It's about how much fun you have playing with it. So now, after I've done this, it's supposed to turn into a nice smooth ball. Not too smooth yet, but hey, maybe once it cools, like they said, it'll get better. But you know, it's an experiment. And if it doesn't work out the first time, you just try again. Alright, so now I'm going to let it cool off. Hey guys, I think we did it. There's my big, huge ball of Play-Doh. Still a little warm from the stove, but see, this is called kneading. I'm going to knead it to make until it gets smooth. So we've kind of got some greenish, bluish, brownish Play-Doh. I did add a little bit of lavender so it smelled good. Smells good. All right, so can't wait to play with Play-Doh with you guys. Oh, and to store it, you can put it in a Ziploc bag or Tupperware. And if it's stored in a cool place, then it can last about a month. Okay, thanks for playing.